I'm just going to just sketch out. Okay, first, A is 4, 2, so somewhere here now. Agree? Okay, next one, where's B? Negative 2, 5. That means it's above. Agree? No, it must be above, correct? Because 2 and then 5 mark. Correct? Yes or no? Okay, C is where? 1K. Now, 1K can be below, right? 1K can also be what? Above, right? Agree? Yes or no? So there are 2 possible triangles that I can have. Do you know what I'm talking about here? Yes or no? Okay. I talk about this triangle first. Let's call this C1. Okay? Okay? Alright? We know that this is 1K. Now I told you the direction of the vertices must go in anti-clockwise, correct? And they tell you what's the area of the triangle. 10.5 units square, right? So, if I go anti-clockwise, okay, focus, you tell me you want to start from which vertex? First start from B, okay? So, area of triangle will be half, you start from B, minus 2, 5, then 1K, right? Anti-clockwise, then 4, 2, then minus 2, 5 again, right? Correct. This will give me a 10.5, correct? Questions here, right? Questions here, right? Okay? So, let's work this out. What is this? Negative 2K plus 2 plus 20 minus 5 plus 4K minus 4. This will be 10.5, right? But I don't need to do you expand so on and so forth, you can get the answer, correct? Can you see you can solve for K? I'm talking to you. Can you see you can solve for K? Okay. So you can solve for K. K equals to something whatsoever. Okay? Now, what if it is above? When you start from B, okay, now I'm talking about this triangle. This is still 1K. So I will go from here, here, then here. Can you see it? Can you see it? The direction will be different. Understand? No, the direction is still the same. It's still anti-clockwise, but the vertices will be different order. Do you get what I mean? Then you will get another value for K. Can I skip that one? You know what I'm talking about. Can or cannot? Okay, now, mind you, for this one, it's quite easy. Sometimes it's linear. If it's quadratic, then you have to be careful. Understand? Then you must see what is the relevant ones. Clear? Okay? So, if you look at the solution for this particular question, okay, if you look at the solution, okay, they tell you that if C is above, you get K as 7. If C is below, you will get K as 0. So therefore, the 2 possible values are K0 and K7. Everybody clear? Yes or no? Okay, good. So, drawing a diagram will help you visualize. Understand? Okay, and it doesn't mean that, you know what the exam people do? They will just consider one case and they will consider the other case. You understand what I'm talking about? So, sometimes you got to get hint from the question itself. You say, what are the possible values? I think there must be at least 2 only. Get it? Get it? Okay, alright. Next one. Area of quadrilateral, I told you already, is also going in the anti-clockwise direction. But for a quadrilateral, there are 4 vertices, so therefore there are 5 sets. The first set must always be repeated, and the last part. Is that clear? Does it matter which one to start with? It doesn't matter. Okay? Alright, so they tell you about quadrilateral and so on. Now I'm going on to example 13. Are we okay? Example 13, okay? Now you read through the question first while I draw the diagram on the board. is y equals to 2x plus 2. Now, since D lies on the y-axis, right, it must be 0 something, right? You must have that in your head, right? It must be 0 something. Okay? Okay? Okay, now next one. Okay? The equation of CD is this, and the equation of BC. BC is this guy here, and it is x plus 2y equals to 9. Okay. Find the coordinates of D. Now, this is easier. Do you agree this line cuts here? Alright. Now, actually, I can straight away say this is 2 already, because this is the y-intercept, 2. Okay, but if cannot, you will say y equals to 2x plus 2. When x is 0, y is 2, so D will be 0, 2. Are we clear? 2 ways to get it. Understand? You can do it this way, or you can see, because y is a subject, so this is the y-intercept, so this one must be 2. Everybody okay? Everybody okay? So first one, first part done. Second part, let's take a look. Find the coordinates of C. This one I'm not going to do it. You tell me how to get the coordinates of C. Do you agree C is the intersection of these two lines? So I just solve this simultaneously, right? Alright, I will solve this simultaneously. Y equals to 2x plus 2 and x plus 2y equals to 9. Equation 2, you will get x equals to something, y equals to something, right? Alright, so C will be, let me just check the answer, 1, 1, 4. Everybody clear? C is 1, 4. Okay, I always write down my information. So this is 1, 4. This is 0, 2. Okay, then this part 3. Find the coordinates of B. I need to find the coordinates of B. Now, I told you no need to look so hard. Can I find the midpoint of this? And the midpoint of this will be the same. Remember I told you this? Okay, what is this midpoint M? M will be 1 plus 2 over 2 and 4 plus 1 over 2, right? So this is 3 over 2, 5 over 2, correct? Midpoint is 3 over 2, 5 over 2, correct? Okay. Now, I let this B be maybe AB, okay? Okay. That means M is also equals to 0 plus A over 2, 2 plus B over 2. That means I will have the equation 0 plus A over 2 equals to 3 over 2, 2 plus B over 2 equals to 5 over 2. Now, this one will give me A as 3, right? You can see? A as 3. What about this one? B is what? B is also 3, right? You can see it. So what's the coordinate of B? 3, 3. Am I right? Did I make a mistake? Let me double check. So it's 3, 3. Are we clear? Yes or no? Okay. Then last part. Hence, find the area of the rhombus. Okay, I'm not going to do this. I just write down it. Area of rhombus will be half. Okay, which one you want to start with? Which one you want to start with? Let's start with anyone. Let's start with this one, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, repeat. Understand? Then you use your shoelace formula, you can get the answer. Don't forget to write unit squares. Is that understood? So I'm not going to do that. Okay, I've done that many times. Okay? Alright, good. So that is for this part here. Now, at this juncture, right, I want to teach you one thing that is useful in coordinate geometry. Okay, all look at the box. Don't talk. If I have a line, let's say y equals to x. Okay? Y equals to x, 45 degrees. Now, if I have a point A here, if the x coordinate is A, what will be the y coordinate? lies on the line y equals to x. So if the x coordinate is a, what's the y coordinate? B. B can then you got two variables. I want it in one variable. So it's also a, right? A now. Right now. Okay, now what if I change 2x? If I have a point here, what is a, what is this one? This one will be 2a. This is something that you must know. Do you understand? Okay, then let me just tell you one more thing. Because for this one is very easy. This is y equals to x plus 3. If I have a point A here, if this is A, what is the y coordinate? A plus 3. This will save you a lot of trouble when you are doing some complicated questions. Do you understand? When you know that it's inside there, you should know what's the answer. Everybody clear? Even for quadratic. You have like that, let's say y equals to x squared. If I have a point A lying on it, I have A. So what is the y coordinate? A squared. It will save you a lot of trouble. You don't go and use A, B, then you got a lot of variables. Do you understand what I'm talking about? You can use that particular equation to help you. Is that understood? This is something that students always cannot remember, and then they get into a lot of variable trouble. Understand? So this is something that's very useful. Clear? Okay, I'm going on to the last example. I didn't know single still can talk. Later I will talk to the two of you. We will talk in trios. We will form an isosceles triangle. I don't want you to ask me because ask me not ask me. Okay? Then if you know, you can't know the lesson. Because you won't have one. Okay, next question. Last example. Okay. Example 14. That's the last example, correct? Okay, I'm going to draw the diagram on the board first, okay? Who wants to write this one? Own initiative or one teacher say that? Huh? Own initiative, you own initiative, right? Actually, I find this one very stressful one. The more I see the number, the more terrible it is. Okay, 15, what are the factors of 15? 3 times 5. Are all of them odd numbers? Yes, that's called prime factorization. You understand? Okay? Is 15 a multiple of 3? Yes. Okay? Is 1 a factor of 15? Yes. Very good. Okay? How do I write 15 in standard form? 1.5 times 10 more 1 just comes 10 because you understood that's fine. Okay, can you score in your end of year exam 15 times more than 3 marks? 15 times as much as 3 marks. So you should score 45 now. You know why? Because it's about 19 now. 45 is just past the Okay, so a lot of things can come from this 15. I think you're the one can erase, okay? For me, I should erase one. But never mind, good initiative. You said you own initiative, right? Okay, good. You can let me teach them a lot of things like vectors, that kind of thing. Okay, let me just draw this. Okay? All the four vertices given. Very good. Okay? The point P lies on the line AB such that DP is perpendicular to AB. The line DP and AC cuts at Q. Find the equation of what? AC. I think no problem, right? I'm not going to show you. Find the equation of AC. First of all, we must find what? Gradient of AC, right? I teach you how to present. Don't go and make mistake in your exam. AC, so what? 4, negative 5, 1, 7. 9 over what? Negative 6. So what is it? Negative what? 3 over 2, right? Correct? Okay? So, equation of AC, I always write this. So that in the exam, you don't go and find which is the equation again to waste your time. Understand? Okay? So, I will have y minus 4 equals to negative 3 over 2, x minus 1. Negative 3 over 2x plus 3 over 2 plus 4. 5.5. So 11 over 2. Is this correct? Is this correct? Okay. So this is the equation of AC. Are we clear? But that 2 marks outside now. But that 2 marks. Why? Because it's an E-maths question. Can you see it now? Okay. Next one. Up to. Find the coordinates of Q. Find the coordinates of Q. How to find the coordinates of Q, which is over here? This one, I must find what? The equation of what? In order to find this. Do you agree that I must find the equation of DP? Then I take the intersection. Yes or no? Okay. How to find the equation of DP? I don't know the coordinates of P, but I know this is perpendicular. I can find this gradient first, right? Then the perpendicular, you will know the gradient, right? Understand what I'm talking about? Okay, I present for you again. Gradient of A, what's this point again? B, right? Gradient of AB will be 4 minus 3, 1, 8. 7 over negative 7, negative 1, right? Is it 1 or negative 1? Negative 1, right? Okay, so what's the gradient of DP? Gradient of DP will be 1, right? Can you see? Okay, so what is the equation of DP? Equation of DP is dot dot, not equal. Y minus 4 equals to 1 times x minus 2. So y plus 4 equals to x plus 2. Y will be x minus 2. Correct? The equation of dp is 1 equals to x minus 2, right? So I will solve y equals to x minus 2 equation 1 and the equation y equals to negative 3 over 2x plus 11 over 2. Correct? Yes or no? I will solve these two equations and I will get the coordinates of Q. Do you understand? Can you see it now? Okay, those who cannot see, right? I show you. Do you agree this is the equation of AC? That means I will have this equation, right? Or this is the equation of what? dp. I'll have this equation, right? This is in the intersection. You can see it. So when I solve the two simultaneous equations, I'll get the answer. Can you see that? So I'm not going to solve. So you solve Q is what? I'm going to do the answer. What's the answer for Q? 3 1. 3 1. Good. So we know this guy I'll still go and find the length. Now, let's take a look. It doesn't matter, no harm trying, like I said. Let me use another color, because some people always frown at me, which I'm very proud of. Let me see if I've got another color inside. Oh, good. You know what? I don't remember already. QC to AC. You want to find QC is to AC. All of look up. QC is this one, right? AC is this one, right? The whole thing, right? Are you looking at me? Yes, okay. Okay. I can use similar triangles, right? You agree with me? Okay. I draw from Q to C. What is this? Q is 3, 1. So what is this length? From Q to C, what's this length? This is 1. This is -5. So what is this length? Do you agree it's 6? Can you see it? I'm talking to you. Can you see it? Okay. Now, what about the whole thing? AC. Not AC, I mean the vertical of this. Okay, basically what I'm doing is this. You're not too confused. So let me just draw the diagram again. I have this one like that. Okay, I draw it all slanting so you can see. So this is my C, 7, -5. This is somewhere my Q, which is 3, 1. And this is my A, which is 1, 4. You see that? Okay, I want to know what is this length. All of you look at the point. What is this length? Do you agree this is 6? Okay. What about this one? What about from here to here? You cannot see 9, right? Do you agree it's 9? Okay, 9. What do they want? They want QC is to AC. So QC is to AC is this triangle over the whole triangle, right? So it's actually what? 6 is to 9, right? So what is this in lowest terms? 2 is to 3. So there's no need to go and find the length. Outside out. Outside out. Okay? But if exam desperate, I want to find the length also can. But what do you realize? When you look at the textbook, page 185, can you see they give it exact so that the root 13 can cancel out? More later your initial becomes not accurate. You understand? Don't give to 360 that kind of thing, the back cannot do. Understand? Okay? Alright. So let's look up. Last question. Find the area of triangle ABC. Okay? Now I'm going to find the triangle ABC. Now all of you look up. I want to find this triangle. So I just use shoelace method. I can find. So write down. Okay, so I'm going to write down here. I'm not going to find it. So I just write down the answer. Area of triangle ABC will be. The question says that the answer is what? 37.5. 37.5 unit square, right? Next part, what do they want? Hence, find the area of triangle QDC. Now, where's QDC? QDC, this one. Agree? Agree? Now, do you agree that these two triangles share the same height? Can you see that? They share the same height. If they share the same height, that means it's only in proportion of the base, right? Agree class? In proportion of the base, right? Okay. So, area of triangle ABC over area of triangle QEC must be what? What's the ratio? Just now I found out QC is to AC. QC, AC, whole thing is 9. So this is a 3, this is a 6, right? Alright, because the whole thing is 9. Agree? Okay, the whole thing is 9. So this is 9 over ADC, then after that QDC over 6, right? Agree, class? I plug in this one, 37.5 over all of you, this is not going down. Tell me what's the answer. What's the answer? No answer. 20? 25. Are we clear? Are we clear here? Are we clear here? Yes, because this one and this one, they share the same height. Clear or not clear? Yes or no? Yes, okay, good. But if you look at the textbook, they give you another way of doing it. You go and find QC, what's the length, and then after that, you take all the thing, and then you can get an answer also. Okay, but I find that we already learned that triangle sharing the same height, your area ratio is with respect to the base, then I think we should use it. Everybody clear? Okay, now, what number is it on the content page? Now, is it number 6? Is it number 6? Now I write what? 4 or 5? 5, okay. Can you write down number 5? Today's date, exercise 7.4. Just write down shoelace method here. Okay, I want on foolscap. That's all. And as you can see, I've already finished the syllabus for the exam. Everybody can see that? Okay. Yesterday I gave you 9, right? Correct. I gave you 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so altogether 15 questions. Correct? Tomorrow HPL, no homework. Just do all this and do your own revision. Is that clear to everyone? Now on Friday, I'm going to give instructions for Friday. Friday, you will not bring all your textbooks. I will be starting revision. I will go through 7.3 and 7.4 first. I will on the visualizer for the textbook. You don't have to worry. Bring your 2 sets of work. Understand? Okay, clear one. Bring your 2 sets of work. I will go through 7.3 and 7.4. After that, I will start revision. What are you supposed to bring? Bring your 2022 E-Max paper 1 and 2. And your 2022 A-Max paper. I will go through. As I go through, I will revise the concept. Is that clear to everyone? Then some people are confused as to what chapters are in the exam. Can you go to the content page of your A-Max text? Okay? Go to the content page of your A-Max text. Ryan, I said 2 times already. Chapter 1. Chapter 2, Chapter 3, Chapter 4, Chapter 5. Chapter 6 is not enough because we have not done it. Chapter 7 is in, we have just finished it. Chapter 8, circles not in. Okay? 9, 10, 11 is all in. Is that clear? So everything in except what? 6 and 8. 6 and 8 will cover next year. Understand? 6 and 8 will cover next year. Alright? Okay, so, but your E-Max syllabus is the whole of the 3A and 3B textbook. No discount, that one. Clear or not clear? And next year for A-Max, right, already out already. You can go and take a look in the holidays if you want to. Then we'll continue with differentiation, integration. Okay, and then we'll finish off everything and we'll start revision for the whole of the O-levels. Understand? Clear or not clear? Okay, what are you supposed to bring on Friday? Ryan, tell me again. The 3 papers, right? The 2022 papers are E-Maths paper 1, E-Maths paper 2, and then A-Maths paper. Understand? So that you bring the textbook. Now, bring your, I think you can try your 10-year series, you know. Do you understand? How many of you have been trying your 10-year series? 10-year series is the best, Do you understand? Because it speaks to O-level standard. Okay? Alright? So, do your 10-year series. I will not provide any further practice paper. Understand? I don't want to waste your 10-year series. Clear or not clear? Okay? Of course, you don't want to do the differentiation integration. I haven't taught yet. Or do the topics that I taught you already, especially the one on remainder factor theorem. You are very weak with that. That one must score, cannot don't score. Okay? Now, I will tell you the topics to score if you want to pass your A-Maths. I say pass, I never say get A1. Okay, A1 another ladder. Okay, the topics, have you taken out this? Have you taken out this? Hey, E-Maths is confirmed as all pass 1. Don't have option. Okay. If you take A-Maths before E-Maths also don't pass, I have nothing to say. Understand? Okay, now next. I tell you in order to get C6, C6 is the minimum, understand? Actually, I don't mind people getting C6 because it's good for you. Okay? Because when you go to poly or C6, you have to repeat the A-Maths module in the poly, understand? Or I'm going to take another module for what? You start teaching a shit and then you go to take another module. Alright? Now, which one must you score plus? I'm going to tell you now, I tell this to every simultaneous equation. Cannot make mistake one. Substitute in cannot make mistake. 知冇？知唔知？其實 ask you one thing. Because this one is very common. How would you square this? Top square and then bottom square. Don't go and put 2/5 x plus 3/5, then go and square until you die. I told you before in January. Now is September, understand? I think after 9 months can still remember, right? Okay, good. Simultaneous equation. Okay? Then so rationalization must get full one. Understand? Next one. Remainder factor theorems and partial fractions. These two are dead one. Just know and you know how to do it. Partial fractions, what's the first thing you do? Check whether proper or improper. Don't get it. For those you check, I see can already. Rubbish. Okay? What if the top is power degree 3, but below also degree 3? It's long division. Equal also improper, understand? Okay? Now, next one that you must score. What I just did. Parallel lines, perpendicular lines, bisector, understand? Can you see I never say logarithm? Can you see I never say logarithm? Because some people see logarithm as symbols for them. You know that kind of thing, and then they don't know. Okay. Next one you must know is this. Convert to the linear form plot, that's it. Okay? Make sure your line cuts the vertical axis. Okay? Trigo, I did not say anything. I did not say anything, but the basic solving we should know. For proving, right, I know a lot of people are scared of proving. Let me tell you what you should do, okay? I always tell my students this, and when I walk by, they will show me do this. Okay? Trigo always got two sides, right? Okay? Choose the more difficult side to start proving. But this one is only sine theta, you want to start from sine theta. Then it's always sine theta, go to sine side, you cannot move the other side. Understand? You will start with left hand side equals to whatsoever, leave a lot of space, near to the next part already, then you write equals to this expression equals to right hand side. Then you write proof. Then you fill in slowly. Don't know how to do it blank first, but write like this. Understand? Then you slowly go and fill the steps. Understand? Last time they do on full set paper, I always tell them leave 10 lines. If by 10 lines you cannot move, don't move already. Because gone already. Understand? How can you move 10 pages and you cannot get? Then don't get lah. Just forgo that 3 marks. Understand lah? No? You must know how to choose your method. Understand lah? Okay, now, if you can get this this one roughly 4 to 5 marks Certs, okay, maybe 4 to 5 marks also. This one maybe quite a number, 6. This one can be 6 Coordinate geometry usually about 8 like that. This one about 7. Okay, total. See can pass or not? Upon 90. Still haven't passed, right?